She gets to go to Asia.
Oh my god! Dubai. At Dubai? You freaked out? Oh my god. You gotta be way more freaked out than I am because you're the one going. When did you find out?
Just now.
What'd she do?
He was trying to talk to me and was just like, hold on one second. I started reading and I just said, I think I just got a job.
At first I read it and it's like Royal Caribbean legend and I was thinking, geez, somebody already hacked her computer thinking it was pretending to be Royal Caribbean. It's like, no, this is for real. That was a good one. Congratulations. That was fast. You did good.
Yeah, if they're
Not even a week yet.
if they're
I'm
not
going to
going.
stop that now.